días, estudiantes. Me llamo señora L y hoy vamos a practicar con emociones. My name is señora L and today we're going to practice with emotions in Spanish. Now, of course, emotions can change. Oh, and excuse me, we are practicing today with Lily, our favorite cabra or goat. So, as I was saying, emotions can change day to day, moment to moment. So, when we talk about emotions, we use the verb estar. Now, I'll talk more in a future video about estar versus ser. Estar being the verb that means like things can change. Ser means the things about ourselves and about the world that don't change. But anyway, today, emotions. Well, Lily takes a nap on me. So, primero, the first emotion that we want to talk about is contenta. Contenta, of course, means happy. Yay! So contenta is like, yo estoy contenta. Okay? So I am happy. All right, next one. What does the next one look like?
Nervioso.
Nerviosa. So nerviosa is going to be like nervous. When you're super nervous about something, like Lily was before she fell asleep on me, you know, nervous. We all get a little nervous sometimes. All right, what does the next one look like?
Confusada.
Confusada. When you're very confused about something. Like at first, Lily was kind of confused about why she's in the house, and then she decided to take a nap. So we can all be a little confused sometimes. All right, now what does the next one look like?
Enojada.
Enojada. Now, sometimes we all feel enojada when we're angry. Okay? We all get there sometimes. But deep breaths, and that helps. Next one. Oh, hello. You're such a good lady. You're such a good lady. What does this one look like?
Nerviosa.
Temerosa. So when we're temerosa, that means we're a little afraid. So sometimes when we're afraid, it's because we're someplace new or a little temerosa. All right, what's the next one?
Chistosa.
Chistosa or chistoso. So when we're chistoso means we're funny, we're joking around, we're having a good time. So chistoso, when we're kind of joking. All right, what's the next one look like?
Aburrido.
Aburrido. I'm so bored. Aburrido is when you're bored. Like Lily might be kind of right now. But anyway, aburrido is when we're bored. Not to be confused with a burrito. Next one.
Emocionada.
Emocionada. When we're emocionada means we're super excited, which is the opposite of Lily right now. But yes, emocionada, when we're super excited about something. Oh, hi. Welcome. Oh, thanks. All right. What does the next one look like?
Triste.
Triste. Triste is when we're sad. Yeah. What's the next one? Frustrado, when we're frustrated. Ugh. When it seems like nothing's going our way and everything's wrong. Ugh. Frustrated. So, como example, ella está frustrada. Next one. What does the next one look like?
Cansado.
Cansado. So, Lily está cansada. Because Lily's a little tired. What does the next one look like? Oh, hi.
Esperanzada.
Ah, now this is an emotion I feel a lot. Esperanzada. Yo estoy esperanzada. It means I am hopeful. All right, what is the next one?
Determinada.
Determinada. So, this one, yo estoy determinada. Determinado is one of my favorite adjectives because it means determined. Yo estoy determinada. I am determined. And finalmente, what's the last adjective for today?
Agradecido.
Agradecida. So, agradecida, gracias. Agradecida means grateful. Yo estoy agradecida para mi familia, para mis amigos, para mi vida y para ti. That means I'm grateful for my family, my friends, my life, and for you. So, we'll practice more later on, but until then, hasta luego.